The beauty and diversity of our planet is unique, and it requires the commitment of every individual to preserve it. We at Zeiss also would like to make our contribution that great experiences with and in nature remain possible. With our numerous projects, from responsible use of resources to sustainable product development and various nature conservation initiatives, there is still a long way to go, but we would already like to share our journey.
Zeiss is fully owned by the Carl Zeiss Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to promotion of science and societal progress. Therefore, corporate responsibility has been anchored in our DNA since the 19th century. Today, responsible entrepreneurship, of course, includes responsibility for a sustainable future for all of us. Climate and nature protection, eco-friendly product development, and carbon neutrality are goals we strive towards. Sustainability and the long-term development of our company go hand in hand.
We at Zeiss are committed to the Sustainable Development Goals by the United Nations. We strive to be carbon neutral in all our own activities by 2025. And as an important milestone, we switched to 100% green electricity by 2022. Environmental and climate protection, health, education, fair labor, and sustainable supply chains. We have set ourselves ambitious targets.
We want to make our products even more sustainable and use materials which are suitable for this purpose. Our developers not only ensure that every product delivers the highest optical performance, but also embed sustainability thinking into our development and manufacturing processes. For example, we have made a decisive change in tooling design. We have a wide variety of products in our portfolio. For developing and manufacturing, in production and assembly, various special tools are required. We can now produce these tools ourselves with a 3D printing process. Thus, we can not only avoid high energy consuming aluminum, but the subsequent processing and reduced transport distances have also a positive impact on our energy consumption.
To increasingly use sustainable and recycled materials, we have also developed a new packaging concept. Our new products are now compactly packaged in standardized and fully recyclable cardboard boxes. However, we do not just focus on the recyclability of our packaging. We already use 100% recycled material from old PET bottles for our product bags. Thus, we can reuse about 2.5 PET bottles per bag. With our new packaging, we save important resources and contribute to a successful circular economy.
With own production facilities in Germany and Hungary, we are not only in control of our manufacturing quality, but can also influence the sustainability of all processes. In Germany, we are already producing exclusively with electricity from renewable energies and are continuously reducing our consumption of resources.
Our responsibility towards society and environment does not end at the store counter. Zeiss products stand for high quality and durability, the best way for sustainable consumption. Already in the development of our products, we are testing the durability and repairability and rely on screws instead of glue and on spare parts instead of throwing them away. And if something does break in rough usage, we help with our comprehensive in-house repair service. And this applies not only for the time our product is available, but also for years beyond that. Thus, we save important materials and conserve our resources.
Our commitment goes far beyond our products. To ensure that diverse habitats are protected and nature experiences remain possible for future generations, we support numerous nature and species conservation initiatives worldwide. Israel is well known as a hub for bird migration. The International Birding and Research Center in Eilat secures resting places and engages in scientific monitoring. With a long-standing partnership, we support the local team with binoculars and spotting scopes in their mission to improve and preserve part of the migration route for diverse bird species from all over the world. We are also particularly engaged in protecting endangered species such as the spotted greenshank. With our resources, we will enable BirdLife International to implement measures to improve the population of this species and thus save it from extinction. But we want to share that joy of birding with everyone. That's why we are working with the non-profit organization Birdability. Birdability is committed to increase inclusion in birding and is developing interactive maps that allow people with mobility impairments or low vision to experience the fascination of birdwatching. We are excited to partner with Birdability to promote inclusion together.
The numerous projects already provide an insight into our first important developments, from resource savings in production, the development of sustainable packaging, our comprehensive service and various nature and species conservation initiatives. We take responsibility in the development and manufacturing of our products and beyond. Join us on our journey to a more sustainable future at Zeiss.